Hi, Jay West from AirAdvice for Homes with another pro tip for you. This time we're back on the concept of changing your mentality, changing your perspective, but let's talk specifically about sales. So, AirAdvice for Homes, the way that we look at it, our monitor, our report is a zero pressure sales tool. But some people don't want to hear the word sales. Think about it this way. If you go to a home and the air conditioning compressor is broken, what do? You replace it, right? Do you do that for free? No. So you just sold them a compressor. Think the same way about your IAQ upgrades. Think about customizing their system to their needs. Just like they needed a new compressor, they might need an HRV. They might need a HEPA filter. They might need a dehumidifier. So that's a pro tip. Hopefully it helps. See you again soon.